Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google for a chat and a Hangout. And all you need is to open up your Gmail. Mine looks black because I changed the skin on it, but I like the black because it's less harmful to my eyes. Anyhow, your teachers hold office hours. And generally, if they're holding office hours, let's say they have their Gmail open, it shows up as green. Now you can choose how it looks when you're online. I've chosen to set the settings up. All you do is click on you and you show up right after inbox, sent, trash, drafts, all of that. And any other folders that you may make. Like I have ninth grade global, that's one of my folders. But you can change the settings right there by simply clicking on your name next to your avatar, your profile photo. And I have written that green means I'm here. And it shows when I'm last active. I've checked that box. It shows when my device, whether it's my phone, tablet, or computer, is on and open to Gmail. And I've chosen to keep all of these. And this is showing that I am signed in to Hangouts. So let me show you how to access Hangouts. Okay, so you may not know this, that's why I'm making this video, but you have a little plus button next to your name. And that is how you start a Hangout conversation. You have two options. You can start a chat as a text IM, or you can also do video. There are a couple of different things you can do. So first of all, you press the plus button, and whoever is in your contacts, you can simply type in their name. By the way, all students are in your contacts already, and also anybody who you've added to your contacts. I'm going to send a message right now to Miss Irene, and so there are two things that I can do. Since I know her name is Irene, I can just simply type in Irene, and then I click on it, and I saw that she was actually in green, so it means that she's definitely online. So I'm going to say, hi, Irene. And see the little dots? That's cool. It shows just like when you're texting somebody, it's the same thing. So why am I showing you this? Because let's say Irene was my teacher and I had a question and it was during my office hours from 11:30 to 2:30 on a daily basis. This is a very quick way that you can contact your teachers. It's also a way that you can contact your friends. Thanks for being there. You are awesome. I hope that most of your teachers are showing up as green on here. That's when you've chatted with somebody before, it automatically shows in there. But it doesn't mean that these are the only people that you can chat with. But let's say I send him one, hi, contact me later, okay? When he logs in, then it's held for him just like a text message. So when he logs in, he'll see it. Okay, so another thing is, let's say Saul was online and I said, hey, you want to do a Google Hangout? It'd be cool to, talk to you about some stuff. I could just simply click on this video button, and it's always best to chat first or send a message first before you do this. But when you press on it, it's just like FaceTime or calling somebody on the phone, right? And so it shows up as a missed call. He could have answered it, and then we would have been messaging one another. Another thing you can do is you can form a group hangout. And you do not need to know their email or their phone number or anything like that. You just need to, if they're a student, know their name. And let's say you want to make a group with 3 of your classmates from global studies, for example. That way you can help each other with some assignments or just talk to each other, chat face-to-face, whatever you want to do. You can simply also press the plus button and then add a new group, and then you name the group. If I know the person's name, I can simply type their name in, and then it already populates in there, and you just click on it. So that's my new demo group. Now, I can send them a message right now. If they're online and they get it, they can respond to me. If not, they'll get it later. And now we're all connected, and I have this group for all time. So you can do that, you can set it up, and then it'll be listed underneath your name. After you have chatted with somebody, they show up underneath your name, and then you can get to them immediately. Of course, please do this between normal office hours. That's the best way to reach your teachers in real time. Use this feature. I don't know if you know about it, but now you do. Okay, have a good day. Thanks for watching.